Hello, thank you very much for joining me for today's video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to import AliExpress product to your Shopify store. This is a very easy step and very easy tutorial. So let's get started. Obviously, so the first thing that we have to do is we have to log into this website called dsers.com. This tool is going to allow us to import product from AliExpress to our Shopify store. Let's click on try it free. Then we have to register. Let me put my email and then the password, create an account. Once we create an account, then we have to choose the platform. It's a Shopify store, obviously. And we just have to click on add app here. Once we do, we click yes. And there you go. Now we have the app already installed to our Shopify store. So what we have to do now is let's go to AliExpress, for example. For instance, let's go to AliExpress. So if we click on, let's say that, let's choose this product here, for example. So if we go here, we already have, let me check here. Let's choose a specific product. Let me go back again here. Men, let's, for example, go for sweaters. This one here, for example. Okay. So once we finish linking the app to our Shopify store, we have to also download the extension. So let me show you how to download it. So we just have to go to Google and then write down and then Chrome extension, this one here, and then we add it to Chrome, add extension, and there you go. Now we have it installed. Let's check here. Yeah, we have to log in first. Let me log into my account, the one that I created earlier. Oh, so it's already here. Perfect. Now we're logged in. Let me just confirm here. Yeah. So what we have to do, let's say for example that we wanted to import this product to our Shopify store. What we have to do is we have to click on add to DSERS. It's important. And then let's check here. Then we have to click on the extension. Or sorry, we have to go to our apps. Let's see here. Perfect. Install app. Now it's installing. Then you have to choose the free one. Link to AliExpress. You have to also make an account here. Let me make an account. So yeah, basically, once you log into AliExpress, you just have to choose the product that you want to. You just have to click for example, choose any product that you want to import and then add to here, you see, and then it's going to be added to the import list. Once you do, we just have to go back to Shopify and then click on it, import. It's going to be added to your Shopify store, and that's it. So thank you very much for your time and have a great day.